Hello, kindergarten. This is Miss Simmons. As you can see, I am standing up. So for this activity, you need to be standing up, and we're going to do the snowman song. I know it is not Christmas time yet, but we seem to have had some snow outside over the weekend. It just happens that our next song has to do with snowmen. So we're going to learn this song together. Repeat after me. There was a little snowman. He was so fat and round. I made him from a snowball. I rolled upon the ground. I gave him eyes and nose and mouth. A nice warm scarf of red. I put some buttons on his coat. A hat upon his head. Watch him as he melts to the ground. So we're gonna watch our voice go up. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna back up a lot because I am very tall. We're gonna start all the way down at the bottom. So I might be doing a lot of running back and forth, but this is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna start right here. There was a little snowman. He was so fat and round. So start down. There was a little snowman. Go up a little bit. He was so fat and round. Then, with my hands on my knees, I made him from a snowball and rolled upon the ground. So on your eyes, on knees. I made him from a snowman and rolled upon the ground. Now I'll put my hands on my hips. I gave him eyes and nose and mouth, a nice warm scarf of red. I gave him eyes and nose and mouth, a nice warm scarf of red. I put some buttons on his coat, a hat upon his head. I put some buttons on his coat, a hat upon his head. Now watch as your voice goes down. Watch him as he melts to the ground. So when my voice goes down, my body goes down. When my voice goes up, my body goes up. So I'm going to put it on where I can see all the words here. I'm going to put I know this part, so I'm going to put my screen right there. All right. So we're going to start all the way at the bottom. We're going to touch your toes. There was a little snowman. Now move to your legs. He was so fat and round. To your knees. I made him from a snowball. To your thighs. I rolled up on the ground. To your hips. I gave him eyes and nose and mouth. Let's do your chest here. A nice warm scarf of red. And put our hands on our shoulders. I put some buttons on his coat. Now to our head. I had up on his head. Now I go down note by note. Watch him as he melts to the ground. So for Seesaw this week, I'm going to play a recording of the snowman song on Seesaw, and you're going to do the movements with it. So we're going to do it one more time together. We're going to do it all at one time. There was a little snowman. He is so fat and round. I made him from a snowball. I rolled up on the ground. I gave him eyes and nose and mouth. A nice warm scarf of red. I put some buttons on his coat. A hat upon his head. Watch him as he melts to the ground. Now, it's okay if it's not exact. As you can tell, I didn't follow the same movements as I did. As long as you're going up when our voice is going up, and you're going down as our voice is going down. So I'm gonna have a recording of the Snowman song, and hopefully you'll be able to record a video on top of it. If not, then I need you to sing the song. So I'm gonna see if we can get Seesaw to work with me. And if it doesn't, you're gonna have to sing the song. There will be words on there. All right, see you over the week.